here to not sly when checking out girls.
Don't be creepy, don't be creepy.
He's not what we'd bring home to mom and dad.
We're their food source.
Aww.
And he's always hanging out with his bonies. Typical male.
I think he's telling you to get out of his way now.
Now playing.
You know, my name is Shane. My mom says I'm a pain. When I get older, I have to walk with a cane. Yeah, it's getting ready to rain. Some people says I'm insane. And I don't really hold. I don't know much more hold. I have to think about it.
Hi. You're gonna fall backwards. What does he have? A toothpick? Give it to Mama. Don't run away with it.